Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I thought it would be fun to share one of our all-inclusive card kits with you. So this is actually the Looking Up card kit. It's in our current annual catalog. I loved this kit when the catalog came out. You'll see when we get inside of it, but I absolutely loved it. And the great thing about the all-inclusive card kits is they literally come with every single thing you need to complete the projects inside of the kit. And then they also come in a really nice box. So if you wanted to, you could gift this entire kit to a crafty friend or even to someone who's never crafted before that you think would maybe enjoy trying it out, because everything they need is inside. Or you could purchase the kit and you could create all of the projects inside, and then you could give the fully created, fully completed projects to someone in this box as a gift. So it's just a really, really great, these all-inclusive kits are they're just really, really great. So I haven't done one in a while and I'm really excited to finally do this one. It is retiring, so you've got about another month of this kit left. So if you want it, definitely grab it while you can. I've got a direct link to this kit in my online Stampin' Up! Store down below in the video description, so you can click it and go straight over to it. And let me just say, you guys, this box is really, really nice. It's like craft paper. I love the feel of this box. So everything comes neatly packaged inside. You've got this exclusive stamp set with lots of sentiments. Thanks so much. Feel better soon. I hear congratulations are in order. I'm so very thankful for you. Happy birthday. And then this little star and this little bird image. Then you've got your Stampin' spot, which is your ink pad. So this is Bermuda Bay. There's even a block in here so that you can put your stamps on your block in order to stamp the images. So here's kind of a complete look at everything that comes in the kit. So you've got all of your card bases, all of your die cut pieces ready to punch out, all of your envelopes, your stamps, your ink, your block, your adhesives, some more die cut pieces for your cards, these foil die cuts, and then also your instruction sheet. So look at the cards, you guys. They are just so cute. So let's see, this kit makes, it looks like 15 cards. So there are 5 designs and you get to make 3 of each design. And look at the envelopes, so cute. So the front has a coordinating image to match with whichever card it goes with, and then you've got this fun black and white inside on that Coastal Cabana envelope. I absolutely love it. This is just like right up my alley. And the instructions are great. It tells you all of the supplies that are included. There are some helpful tips, and then you've got these beautiful, crisp, full color images of the completed cards so that you can see exactly how to create each one. So I love it. So let's jump in, you guys, and let's make one of each of the projects included in this kit. Okay, so I've got my pieces ready here for card number 1. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I apply my clear or my photopolymer stamps to my clear blocks. So I usually take my stamp off of the acetate sheet. I like to line it up using my grid mat, and then I take my block and center it up, and there you have it. Now I am going to set the Stampin' spot aside. If you don't have the Bermuda Bay full-size ink pad, by all means use your Stampin' spot. But for my own personal convenience, I'm going to use my full-size Bermuda Bay just because I want to. I prefer to. Okay, so I'm going to ink this up, and on the little die cut piece for this card, I am just going to stamp this down. So just lining that die cut up and stamping my sentiment. There we go. Then it shows for you to take this foiled sheet and peel off this little adhesive backed copper foil sticker here. It kind of reminds me of a ladder, and you just want to add that right above this black and white diagonal stripe here. Trying to get it straight before I fully press it down. I think that looks good. Okay, added that down. I'll take my dimensionals from the kit, and I am just going to pop a few of these. You could just do 2. I'm gonna do 3. Take off my backings, and looks looks like they have this lined up all the way to the edge. Now you could, you know, change up these designs if you wanted to. You could put your sentiments in different spots. You know, you could make these cards your own, but I am going to stick with how they are designed. And then just giving that a crease with my bone folder. And there you have card number 1 with the coordinating envelope. So simple, you guys. So simple. I love it. And let me just show you the back. Oh my goodness. I love the black and white envelope. Oh my goodness. And these cards are a little bit differently shaped. So this is 6 inches by 4 inches. So they are a little bit larger than a standard size card. I love this. And then let me just show you, to clean my stamps, I like to use my Stampin' scrub. So I'm just gonna take that out. You've got a wet side and a dry side, and you know which is which because here on the wet side, there's actually some little raindrops here in the left corner. And then on the dry side, yeah, there's nothing. So this is your wet, this is your dry. Then you add a little bit of our Stampin' Mist. This is our old bottle. Put a couple squirts and scrub it to wash it, and then dry it off. All right, let's work on card number 2. Got my Bermuda Bay ink, and on this card, this one, the sentiment is thanks so much. So I need this little copper foil sticker. It's pretty. And we'll just pop this right down here. Okay. Give it a quick fold. And then I believe this is the envelope that matches with this one with the little tree in the bottom. And then you've got the polka dots. Oh, okay, so that matches there. Then you've got your polka dot inside of your envelope, and there you have card number 2. Okay, let's go on to card number 3. Okay, so I've got my happy birthday sentiment. Just going to add that right in the center of this little die cut. Okay, so I'm gonna pause for just a second. I was trying to figure out what are these die cut pieces for because I'm not seeing them on the instructions. So these are extra. If you want a more 3D look to each of your cards, you can add these on. So heck yeah, I wanna add these on. So that is what I'm going to do actually for this card. I love dimension, so why not? Let's do it. So let's see. I was wondering, I'm like, it's not telling me to do anything with these. So, okay. I'm going to put dimensionals, whoopsies, onto the back of these hot air balloons. And I'm just going to add them on to the front of my card. Oh yeah, I like this. So you could keep it simple, you know, and just leave these bits off if you don't want this much dimension, but I think I do. I think I want the dimension. Why not? Okay, oh yeah. I love that. Now we're going to add on our foiled sticker. So it's these cute little circles here. And we're just gonna put those, line those up right above our black and white piece here. Cute. Dimensionals on our sentiment. And just line up the sentiment to the left edge here of our card front on the fold. Crease it. And there you have the finished card along with the matching envelope. I love it. So you can see how that dimension, adding those balloons on, how it adds that little bit of elevation and dimension. I like that. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other two cards, add on the coordinating layer. I really like how that looks. That is so cute. I love that little extra bit of dimension. Love it. Okay, so card number 4. I'll stamp my Feel Better Soon right in the middle of my little circle. Okay, get my foil piece carefully off of here. Okay, and then I'm just going to stick this on, let's see. Oh, I don't think I got that quite centered. Let's see. Well, it actually doesn't look that bad, so okay. Couple of dimensionals on the back. Now, for this card, the element, the 3D element you can add on is actually just some of these tiny little raindrops. I don't know if I want to add those on here. So it's just these tiny little raindrops that you can add on. I think I'm going to skip those for this card. Give this a nice crease. And there you have card number 4, and I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Actually, what I might do is add maybe like the champagne rhinestones. Those don't come in the kit, but I might add a few of those. I don't really like the little tiny raindrops that they have included, but still a very pretty card. Alrighty, and the last card, the 5th and final one. So I'm gonna stamp the I'm so very thankful for you sentiment on this little die cut piece. And then we'll add on this little diamond piece here from that foil sticker sheet and just put it right about here. So they have it a little bit higher up than where we've been putting the other ones. Okay, and let me get my little palm trees out and decide where I want these. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to pop these up right on top. So I'll just put dimensional right there. Just put this little guy right there. And this one there. Couple dimensionals for my sentiment. And I'll put that right about there. And then just give it a nice crease. And there you have the 5th and final card. And there it is. I love it. These cards are so much fun. I love them. Okay, so here is a final look at the finished cards in the Looking Up card kit. So again, you get to make 15 cards, 3 of each design. Like I said, this would be great just for you if you want to make the cards and you can send these out yourself, or if you want to give them as a gift, you complete the cards and give the whole set as a gift, or if you want to give this kit to a crafty friend who you think would enjoy it, or even a beginner crafter who's never stamped before who you think would enjoy it. It would be perfect for any of those situations. So I hope that you've enjoyed. I would love to know which one of these designs is your favorite. I'm torn between the plain and the hot air balloons. These two are my favorite, but let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite if you have a favorite design of the 5. So thank you guys again for joining me today, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this kit, and stay tuned. I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.